Hi, Scott Daugherty here, and I'm the Chief Operating Officer of Cormatech. We are a global leader in manufacturing and regenerating SCR environmental catalysts and also transforming into the leading advanced carbon capture adsorber technology company for direct air capture and point source capture systems to help companies achieve net zero CO2 emissions. I've been a member of MESA for over 20 years, and they've helped me in my manufacturing journey to justify, develop, and install MES manufacturing execution systems projects at two different manufacturing plants that were both very successful projects. I think their online resources and content, especially the white papers and also the global education program, have been very helpful as we have continually been implementing new technology and products, as well as at the same time improving the efficiency of our day-to-day operations to smarter manufacturing systems. And probably the most important part of MESA is the networking opportunity it's provided me, giving me a community of working groups and committees where I can talk with my peers in smart manufacturing, learn some of the issues they may be having, discuss ideas and solutions, and then take those back to my company at Cormatech to help improve our manufacturing operations. So I would say that if you are interested in smart manufacturing and improving your operations, I would encourage you to check out the MESA website.